Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about evolution, what evolution is. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a detailed explanation about it, who found evolution, and I'm also going to be teaching you guys some key vocabulary words and their definitions that are relevant to evolution. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So, to start off, let's talk about what evolution is. So, evolution is a change that occurs in living things over long periods of time. This change is a result of organisms, living things, being suited to their environment. Evolution is an important concept in the biological science, as scientists are always searching for the underlying laws, reasons, or explanations for their observations of living things. To understand evolution is to understand how living things adapt over time to meet their survival needs. Think about animals, plants, and insects. Also, evolution by natural selection explains the diversity and survival of living things. The founder of evolution is Charles Darwin. He is considered the father of evolution. He is a British naturalist who formulated the theory of evolution by natural selection. An interesting thing is that he noticed the beaks of birds. He noticed that different beak types are better at eating different types of food, while others are not so good at it. The birds who are not good at eating a food source with the beak type they have, most of the time will unlikely survive because they would have a challenge time eating food. So birds have to adapt and find a way to eat food source that is available with their beak types. Now, I want to talk to you about some key vocabulary words that are relevant to evolution. So, the first word is natural selection. This means a process of which individuals that are better adapted to the environment are more likely to reproduce. The next word is adaptation. This means a behavior or physical character that allows an organism to survive and reproduce in its environment. Mutation, any change in DNA or of any living thing. A variation, any different types between organisms in the same species. Diversity. So diversity means the variety of living things that inhabit the earth. Extinct, the disappearance of all members of species from earth. An example of this would be dinosaurs. A long, long time ago, an asteroid came from space and hit Earth, which caused all dinosaurs on Earth to extinct. Another word is extinct, which is kind of like the opposite of extinct, because extinct means a species on Earth that is surviving and thriving. Last but not least, artificial selection. It's a form of domestication or breeding. Think of when humans change characteristics of a living thing to suit them. A fitting example of this would be when humans breed dogs. They take two different types of dogs and then those dogs reproduce and make a new type of dog. That is how artificial selection works. Artificial selection also works as the same way as natural selection, except that with natural selection, it is nature, not human interference, that makes these decisions. And yeah, that was it for today's video about evolution. And those were some key vocabulary words with their definitions. And if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share.